Hey guys, welcome to Omnivision Studio. Today I'm gonna show you how to change the color of anything in Photoshop, like this.
So let's get started. You can go ahead and download this image, just follow the link right down below. We have got such a helpful tutorial. Today we're gonna show you how to change the color of literally anything in Photoshop. All you need is a hue saturation adjustment layer, and little bit of imagination, you're good to go. So what we're gonna do is grab our hue saturation adjustment layer. This is the real key to changing colors. So we are gonna go to Layer, then New Adjustment Layer and over to Hue/Saturation. Then hit OK. And now when you have just this tool, let's go ahead and click and drag this out, so we can just take a look at what we've actually got going on here. At the top is set to master, and what that means, it's gonna start to affect all of the colors in your image. So you can see I take the slide or move it around, it's affecting every single color in my photograph, and sometimes that's cool, but more often than not you want like specific colors to be edited. So you can change that. Let's just click on the reset. And here it is master. In this case I want to reset the color here, so it's pretty similar to red. Then click on red. Now don't worry if it doesn't say the exact color you are thinking of, because you can use this eyedropper tool to refine a color a little bit more. Then click here on car. When I go ahead and click there, check out what happens. The slider here, I'm gonna just click on blue, and you can see what happens there. So when I click on blue, you can see it automatically shifted to this blue range. When I click back on red, it automatically shifts to the red range. So using this eyedropper, it's going to shift to wherever you're actually, to the color you want edit. So how this slider works, is you have two little hue bars. The bar on the top tells what you are actually going to be affecting, and the bar on the bottom tells you what you're gonna turn into. So I'm just gonna crank by hue there. We go all the way to light sky blue, and check this out. So it's saying this color range is being converted into that color range. Pretty cool. I can go ahead and click here and drag this to the left, and it is being converted to these color ranges. Now you can go ahead and just click right here in the middle and move this around, and it's gonna start to affect different areas of the photos. If I continue on to the right, it's gonna start affecting these other colors a little bit more and saving those highlights. So it really is about like finding the range of color where that you actually want to edit. Now if you want to, you can actually take these little sliders here and squeeze them a little bit smaller, and that's gonna affect less color in your images, like a smaller color range. So for instance, if you're like only this small color range, that's what I want to affect. It's really nice.
Let's go ahead and hit the reset icon. We are just resetting all the way. We are selecting red. Then select eyedropper tool. Go ahead and take sample. And here, all I have to do is start changing my hue. And we are good to go. Of course you can change your saturation. And you can also adjust your lightness. Just say, you did this and you're like cool, but maybe it affected some colors that you didn't want to, like here, in the ground it affected a couple colors. Then click on Eraser tool, and erase the area very carefully, where you don't want this change to happen.
We are done. That's how we change color anything in Photoshop. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Please like, share and subscribe our channel for more upcoming tutorials.